is a mushroom and the types of mushrooms? A mushroom is a reproductive structure produced by some fungi. It is somewhat like the fruit of a plant, except that the seeds it produces are in fact millions of microscopic spores that form in the gills or the pores underneath of the mushroom's cap. There are so many mushroom types and endless way you can cook them. One of them is button mushroom. We are here to talk about the most popular ones. Some of them are wild species, but some of the following are cultivated mushrooms. But all are amazingly tasted, and I will tell you their best uses in the kitchen. Let's take a look on the 10 of the most common mushroom types. White button mushroom, ceremony mushroom, protobella mushroom, shiitake mushroom, oyster mushroom, enoki mushroom, chanterella mushroom, porcini mushroom, shimeji mushroom, and morel mushroom. Now we will be going to learn how to grow mushrooms at home. So generally you need to take the wheat straws, cut the wheat straws into 1 or 2 inches long. Now you have to boil the straws for 10 minutes. Now strain the boiled straws. They should be moist when touched. Now pack them gently into the polythene bag and press the straws lightly. Tie the bag with a rubber band or with a cello tape to protect it. Now you need to puncture the bag with a knife where the spawns are placed. Generally, a spawn is a seed of mushroom. If you wanna buy the spawns, you can buy the spawns from the Amazon link, which is given in the description of the YouTube video. Now I'm gonna be discussing about the 6 steps to mushroom farming. Making mushroom compost is the first step. Then is finishing the compost. Finishing is very important. Then the third one is spawning. And after the spawning, casing. And the 5th one is spinning. And the 6th is cropping. So generally this was the method to grow the mushrooms at home and to earn money.